Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use dynamic memory in C++. Memory allocation during runtime with new, memory deallocation during runtime with delete. Sometimes dynamic allocation of the memory is required. For example, when the array size is from the user input, a pointer is used to store the address of the dynamically allocated memory block. This is the syntax when the memory block contains multiple elements. And when we only have one element, we can use this syntax instead. We also can add no-throw keyword to force the return of a null pointer when the memory allocation fails. Then we can check if the memory allocation failed, then we not doing things that use this memory allocation. Otherwise, if the memory allocation is successful, we can interact with it just like a normal array. After using the memory allocation, we can remove the memory block by deallocate using the delete syntax. When we only have one element, we can use this syntax instead. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.